Hello, my lovelies. Let's learn how to make a garland out of these eggshells for Easter. Crack the egg on the pointed end so as to make a very small opening. To make this Easter garland, you will need acrylic colors, macrame twine, and skewers. Start with making a hole on the topmost part of the shell with the help of a skewer. Be very careful while you do this, or else you will land up making a hole in your finger or cracking the whole shell. Note, we just need a hole big enough for the macrame rope to pass through. Once you've pricked all the shells, paint them with acrylic colors. One coat is good enough. You can leave them on the skewer to dry off. Once they are all dried, you can outline the design of your choice or use them just like it is now. I suggest painting simple designs. It will only give character to the shells and make it look more prettier. It's all up to you how you want to go about with it. If you think your friends and family will enjoy these kind of craft projects, then please do share my video with them. Here are all my eggshells painted. Don't they look pretty? Well, let's put these shells together to make a garland. Take a tea light candle and let it burn for a few seconds until we get enough wax to dip the macrame cord. Dip the rope in the wax to cover about 3.5 inches. What I'm doing here is making that 3.5 inches stiff like a needle so I can sew it through those eggshells. Once it's well coated with melted wax, dip it in regular water and press to bring all the open ends together. Here we go. This is how it should look like. Now measure the length accordingly to accommodate the required shells and as per where you will be hanging it. Once measured, double the measurements. I'm tying loose knots throughout this process. Put a loose knot on the inside so the rope doesn't come out through the hole. If you think the knot is slipping out, then put a little hot glue on the knot on the inside of the shell and gently make it stick on the side of the hole from the inside. I hope that made sense. This is one simplest way to make this Easter garland without much supplies. I'll show you another swanky way you can make this. If you can find these kind of glass beads, then add them in between the knots. Or any beads or shells for that matter where the hole is big enough to pass the macrame cord. I am putting loose knots, not very loose though. You see how difficult it is to pass the twine through the shell if it is not coated with wax? If you are using these kind of beads, then there's no need to put a knot on the inside. It holds well. If you liked my video, then please do smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press that bell button. Thanks so much for watching. Take care and God bless.